the issue of the knowledge and how it affects our soul and purifying ourselves. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala stated a very simple question to us in the Quran when He said subhanahu wa ta'ala, قُلْ هَلْ يَسْتَوِي الَّذِينَ يَعْلَمُونَ وَالَّذِينَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. Say, are they equal, those who know and those who do not? Obviously the answer is very clear. When you know something, the feeling you have. When you know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, how does it affect your worship? When you know why you're doing something, why you're staying away from something, it has a big effect on you. When you know why you're staying away, it's enough to know for us as believers that how we're supposed to do something, why we should do something, because Allah told us to do it. But when you have yaqeen, you have certainty, the more you know about your religion, the more your iman is going to grow. The more you know about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the more your iman is going to become stronger. So through your knowledge, it's going to help you, inshallah, purify your soul. You know how to do it correctly. When you're doing something now, when you go for Umrah, for example, and you know what you're doing, how does it affect your ibadah? Has a big effect. You know what you're supposed to be doing. And you see all the other people wasting all their time, not knowing what to do. A brother once told me, when he was making tawaf, that he's a brother from the UK who learned Arabic, mashallah. He's making tawaf, and they sell these little books. You've seen the little blue books, usually blue unless they change the color. Little blue book, a dua book that you're supposed to be making. And for a lot of people, this is like how you should do it. If you want to do the proper thing, you're supposed to do this dua, these duas when you're making tawaf. And obviously being from Pakistan and Asian countries, a lot of you can read Arabic, right? You might understand it, but you can read it because it's the same as the Urdu letters, right? So here was this group coming from Pakistan, reading the dua book. And they read the dua, Ya Ghafoor, and the guys behind him, Ya Ghafoor, Ya Rahim, Ya Rahim. And they were, mashallah, having a blast. As it comes to the end of the book, there's a footnote which says, يمكن تكرار هذا الدعاء كما تشاء, which means in English, you can repeat this dua as many times as you want. It's instructions, not a dua, right? But they don't know that because it's in Arabic. It looks like it's ibadah. Bismillah. So the guy he says out loud, يمكن تكرار هذا الدعاء كما تشاء, and the people behind him, يمكن تكرار, they say behind him because they don't know what they're saying. So what's the effect it's having on him? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, does He understand Urdu? Of course. Understands English. So the goal is for you to benefit from your ibadah, not go and just do things that you don't know what you're doing. You're on yaqeen, you're on certainty that this is how you should be worshiping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You're benefiting as you're making your tawaf.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.